To convert photo to PDF in Canva, let's come to our photo editor here. From here, you want to upload the image you want to convert to PDF here. Let's upload an image, and you see the image I want to convert to PDF has opened. And what I'm going to do from here is to click on Create Design. Once this opens up in the editor, I can add more images. If I want to add a new image, I can just click on Add Page here, go back into my upload and bring in another image I want to use. Now I have these images I want to convert into PDF. What I'm going to do next is to click on Share here and come to Download, and you see the file type is on PNG. You're going to click this drop down and select PDF standard if you're sharing it as a document or emailing it, and if you're printing you want to select PDF print. I will select PDF standard because I want to email mine, and I will click on download.